Hello everyone, my name is Andrea Mooney and I would like to share with you Actively Learn. It is an online literacy platform where students can highlight and annotate while reading a text. Teachers can assign students so that they can interact within a text by taking notes and answering a variety of questions. Like any other web-based platform, there is a free and paid version. The paid version is $18 per month per teacher. There is also a team and school package that you may want to discuss with your administrator. When you first go to Actively Learn, you will want to create a free educator account. However, every time you return, you will just have to sign in. So let's pretend that we are going to create a free educator account, and you will see it will prompt you to this page. Since our district is a Google district, I get to sign in with my Google account. This will immediately take you to the Actively Learn content library. Over here on the left, you can see content. There's professional learning for the teacher. And here I have my classes, and you have some independent reading catalogs. I want to search for a particular article for a different level. I can search here. I'm going to use the reading level, 3rd and 4th. I want to find a science article on plants. So every time I filter, those things will appear at the top, and it will filter articles that pertain to those. I can hover over it and it will give me an essential question. I can also look at how long the article is, and I can immediately assign it. If I want to preview the content, I click on it and it will show me some visuals, questions, already embedded, vocabulary, and at the end, you have a summary, and some articles also include a media example. I can assign it from the preview, or I can go back to my content and assign it from there. If I want to assign it to a class, I need to make sure that I have the classes here that I want to assign to, or maybe I want to assign it to a class I don't have. You can add a class here, but I'm going to assign it to my science. So if I click here, it gives me the classes that I want to assign it to. I can assign it to more than one. And here you can assign it to your Google Classroom for those of you that have that. Or another way you can do it, I will show you shortly. Say you found an article online that you would like to use in Actively Learn. If you click on My Imports, you will see an Add Content button where you can do so from the internet, your Google Docs, or upload from a PDF. However, since this is the free version, you can only upload 3 documents per month. Now you are ready to share the assignment with your students. Click on My Workspace, the class. Make sure you're under Roster and invite students, which will prompt them to the website with a code, unless you are using Google Classroom. If you click on your name, you can switch to student mode. And here, you'll be prompted to join a class under Classes. It will give you a choice. You'll remember we had a code before, but I can join one of my other classes. It's already clicked, then I can just join. And you will see the article that we chose. Students will click on it. They will see the directions, and they will get to their first question. They will not be allowed to go on in the text until they answer that particular question. As the students answer the question, you will see it in the teacher mode. Students can highlight and take notes, hear it, and even translate in different languages. They also have the option of listening to the entire text from the beginning. These are just some basics to actively learn. If you are interested, please go to the website. Thank you for your time.